there, welcome back to Violin Inspiration. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial from one of my books and it is called I'm a Little Teapot. I really hope you will enjoy this tutorial and let's get started right away. This is the whole song. Let's start at the beginning. So first we are playing a little scale upwards. If you already practiced some scales, you know that scales will consist of notes just like walking up the stairs, like this. This is a scale and we are starting with a very little scale upwards. 0, 1, 2, 3 on the D string. Then we are going to the A string, 3 on the A string, and if you want to be sure that the 3 is in tune, just listen if you hear the D string resonating. Then you are very sure that the 3 is in tune. You can hear the string resonating if you just play it for a short time, and then take your bow off, and if you still hear the note ringing, you know that the note is in tune. So. Go back to the 3. This is a tricky part to go to the 3 after the A. And then play 3, A, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, D. Try to keep the fingers on the string, on the D string, while you play the A. So if you play 3, 3, A, keep the fingers on the D string, then go back to the D string, lift the third finger and play 2, 2, lift the second finger, 1, 1, 2, D. If you will hear something like this, that means if you're trying to play the A string and you keep your fingers on the D string, you might hear something like that, and that means that your fingers are not perfectly straight on the string, so you're not playing exactly on the fingertips. So make sure to play on the fingertips. You might have to move your hand a little bit upwards and try again. So that was the first line. Now we're going to the second line, and the second line starts exactly the same as the first line. But then we get 3, 2, 3, 1, A, 3, 2, 1, D. And especially the rhythm here is important to do right. So 3, 1, A, D, 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 D. And if you find this rhythm hard, you can try to sing it yourself before playing it on the violin. So this is the whole song, I'm a Little Teapot. I hope this tutorial helped you to learn it. If this tutorial was helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and learning the violin with me.